Welcome to The Click. This is computers and their importance. First of all, the definition. Well, we all know what computers are. They are the devices, the machines, the smart machines, in fact, that can be flipped. They are made out of metals, they have keyboards, we use mouses with them, they have monitors, and they have a desktop. But basically, based on Wikipedia, a computer is this. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to automatically carry out sequences of arithmetic and logical operations, which is basically called computation. So, computers are basically the devices that can carry out so many mathematical and logical operations, and they can process them with the help of their CPU, and they can help us do our work much more better and stronger and faster. So this is what computers are. Right now, the importance of computers. First of all, it's speed, because computers can do work at a much higher speed, because humans lose concentration, but computers don't. Second of all, accuracy. It is very accurate. Computers can do so many work and never be failed at them. Sometimes, but almost never. Third of all, the elegance. Computers are very hardworking. As long as they have charge, they will do anything for you. Anything that they are capable of and anything that you ask them for, they can do it for you. Get it from science to art to everything. Fourth of all, versatility. They're very adaptable. They can adapt themselves to different fields. Get it from industry to transportation to education to communication, everything. And fifth of all, they have a good storage capacity, because we as human beings, we have very unpredictable minds, and our memories are not very predictable. For example, I remember one memory from 5 years ago every single day, but at the same time, on the exam day, I cannot remember that one study concept that I learned yesterday. This is why that I say that our memories are very unpredictable, but computers are not like that. They have a good storage capacity, and the good thing is that we can buy storages for them, and they have different type of storages and memories. These are the top 5 importance points of computers. What about their usage? Right now, computers are used everywhere. And in fact, they have been used for so many years. Right now, artificial intelligence is used everywhere, which is a branch of computer science. So when the 2000s came, computers were everywhere, from education to communication to everything. In education, for example, I study online right now. I use YouTube to learn anything I want. I use ChatGPT to search anything I want at. So this is its usage in education. Second of all, medicine. Doctors use it for collecting data and at the same time helping them work with acceleration. Third of all, internet. Fourth of all, entertainment. Fifth of all, accounts, the mathematical formulas and all that. Sixth of all, industries. Factories right now, all of them almost, use computers for their work. Sixth of all, transportation. Especially in the first world countries, transportations are so modern, and they're modern because of technology, the internet, and computers. Seventh of all, companies and banks. Ninth of all, life sciences. Get it from biology to mathematics to chemistry to physics, everything. And 10th of all, communication. For example, nowadays, almost all people use computers to join to Google Meet and Zoom meetings. These are the top 10 usages, not all of them, because computers have so many usages. They're basically everywhere. Okay, so this was a small introduction of computers. See you in the next lesson. We will get started with actually learning about parts of computers. So, see you then, sources page.